a lot of fun, you know, to be able to come out here and to participate in an event in a positive setting, to watch the kids and smiles on their faces, and to obviously get the message out. That's the most important.
I mean, I basically came out just to tell y'all that it's important to stay in school. I know that I'm young and y'all can relate to me. Like, if you really want the business, y'all hear that in the background, right? The business is you gotta stay in school, you know, and most importantly, you know, just grind hard and make sure everything you do is gonna pan out for your future.
Going in 8th grade next year, and I'm gonna graduate.
You gotta get our grades though.
We got better funding from the government.
Teachers that care.